Now you better run. You better run. Oh, gotcha.
Hey, can you make me another snowball?
There you go, that's it. Scoop it up.
Here you
You
go.
gotta smush it together. You gotta smush it together. There you go. Okay. I got one too. You better be careful. Oh, you dropped it.
I'm gone.
Gotcha.
Here's one you can pick up, Maddie.
There's one on the ground right there by Mom. Uh-oh. I got two little ones. Go.
Can you make me another one? Mommy, can you make me two?
I don't have my gloves on. Maybe Daddy can help.
Here you go. There's one. Here, bud.
Oh no!
Get her again.
Oh no!
Right in her leg.
Pick it back up and go. You can pick them back up.
Black mom.
Oh! Oh! I gotcha.
I should have brought the girls out.
Ha, caught it.
If you pick up another one, hey, this is like a snowball fight.
It is exactly like a snowball fight.
Maybe even not it.
Okay.
This is my first snowball fight.
It is. Oh! I wasn't ready. Uh-oh. There's a big one. Here you go. Ow!
Hey, I can see some more doodles. Hey, stop running.
Oh! Gotcha!